Let us take a look at one such business scenario that you face every day, namely, managing dies. Manage die for estimation. Prior to production, based on the details of parts available from the customer purchase order, the details of die required to produce the part is recorded here. This will include die drawing number with each revision based on the part changes. Each part is mapped to its die to the trimming tools required and also to the inserts that are required for part production. Information on raw material required for die production and the forging production unit to which the die is to be associated is also recorded here. This helps in estimating die production requirements as well as in planning procurement of die block and other material required. The flip page maintains the process stages and cycle times for the production of the die. Manage die work order schedule. The work orders for a new die are generated and scheduled for production here. For every process stage associated with the die, these work orders can be scheduled on machine type specific to the respective stage. Once scheduled, the complete schedule details can be viewed here. For an existing die, work order creation and scheduling for resyncing can also be done here. Maintain raw material or die block purchase indent. Indenting for purchase of die blocks can be done here. Based on the die work orders, the die and tooling department can raise indents specifying the quantity required and the need date for the die production. Handling RM purchase describes the steps how these indents are used to create purchase orders and hence the procurement of die block. Manage requisition for material. The raw material used for producing a new die is requested from the stores before the production can begin. The request includes quantity and need date to ensure the availability for production. Manage die issue for resync. For a die that is in use, when the estimated remaining life is insufficient for plant forging quantity, the die may be sent for resync. In that case, the stores issues the dies based on the die work orders generated for resyncing instead of raw material issue. Manage material issue. On material request for new die production, the stores issues the requested quantity. The available quantity can be viewed before issuing the material. Record die production. For every process stage associated with the die production, the production details on the specific machines are recorded with the operator information. These details are made available for die inspection. Record die inspection. The die produced is inspected and passed by the QC users for every process stage associated with the die production. On successful inspection of the last stage, the die is ready for use. View die history card. Die history card is key to forging, as this will enable better production planning. Here, for each die that is available, information on the total estimated die life, number of parts that have been produced using the die, life left on the die in terms of the number of parts that can be produced with the die's current sync, the proposed number of syncs, the die life per sync, and the number of syncs that the die has gone through are displayed.